And now the easiest way to create the content and attract people to your content and build this connection that you are an expert in your niche and you are speaking on that specific topic, so people know there is a person who I will refer when I need to solve this problem. So the easiest way to create content across all the platforms is to repurpose your own content. Always, always, always repurpose your own content. You have tons of content for 2 or 3 years. As long as you're in business, you probably have millions of books already written. So I would recommend you to look at the content which you already created very, very carefully. And again, I would absolutely recommend you to hire an expert who will help you to create a system around it, will help you to define the channels for your brand to communicate. Again, I'm doing that. You can hire some other experts who are doing that. You need to define the channels which will work for your brand and then repurpose your content strategically so that you never post all the time across all the platforms. You just post to one platform and then genuinely go to different platforms. Therefore, everybody thinks that you post millions of posts, millions of videos. In reality, you just have a little bit and you post it strategically. So this is my recommendation for you.